All right, hey guys, let's do a quick review. Today I did a couple of MSTZ trades. I'm using this two times leveraged version of MSTR because there's been so much movement the last few days. As you might have heard, there's a ceasefire for the next 2 weeks, and Bitcoin and MSTR were spiking before the market opened. And a few hours later, at around 10 a.m. this morning, the spike reached over $72,000 per Bitcoin price. It then started correcting down. And as soon as it started correcting down, I started trading MSTZ, which is, inverting that. Um, and so I made $13 on this first trade. The second trade, something neat, is I did catch it live. I got a smaller amount of 55 shares of MSTZ and hit that as well and got another $5.50. And something fun about having a cash account with Robinhood instead of a margin account is if you're like me where you don't have a lot of money in it, then with a cash account, the funds take about a day to settle. So it's a nice buffer to get yourself to stop trading before you get too into it and you let emotions run. When you're trying to manage your emotions better, it's nice knowing you can only do a couple of trades because then, the first time I used maybe two-thirds of my funds, last time I used almost the remaining third, and that's why it was 55 shares instead of 200 shares the second time for a smaller amount of profit. And about another 2 minutes later, this was probably the smallest trading window I've done in a while. This took a total of about 6 minutes. Um, I had a few dollars left to get five remaining shares left of funds that were settled from the previous day, and I managed to get another 35 cents. So that was fun. Very nice, easy trading day. If we look at this is WNTR, I have 9 shares of that still, and it's still down a little bit, but that's because I did buy it at a bit of a premium a few days ago, and I do have a limit sell order in to sell it once I get a small amount of profit around the $35 mark. Obviously, it's pushed way down, over 2% today because of the news, and you see how quickly it's recovering as I was hoping. So I will probably sell those out pretty quickly.